It's just a door. Where's the building?
The Mementoville gift shop is like no other gift shop.
Whoa!
It's magical. Come on, let's take a look. Come on, Angus. It's okay. See?
Cool. It really is magical.
It certainly is. You are most welcome to the Mementoville gift shop.
Oh, Papi?
Who's this Papi? I'm the shopkeeper.
Of course. Hello, Mr. Shopkeeper.
Now, how can I help you today?
I'm looking for a gift. Something really special for my Papi.
Oh, he must be a very special Papi for you to travel all the way to my gift shop.
He is.
Well, you've come to the right place. We guarantee the perfect gift every time. Now, let me see. You're looking for the perfect going-away gift. How about a volcano?
What?
A real volcano?
Certainly.
That's amazing!
Wow! Every granddad would love his very own volcano. What do you think, Kiva?
I'm not sure a volcano will remind Papi of me.
Yes, perhaps. And to be honest, they are very difficult to gift wrap. Aha!
What was that?
That's Fluffy. She could be the gift you're looking for.
Didn't sound like a fluffy to me.
Meet Fluffy the dinosaur. They make great companions, so long as they're not too hungry.
Aw, Fluffy's so cute.
Fluffy, fetch.
Angus, it's Fluffy's ball. Leave her alone. A dinosaur does seem like a lot of fun.
But quite the handful to look after.
Yes, and I'm not sure Papi can bring a dinosaur to Delhi.
Good point. Perhaps these gifts are too elaborate. Simple gifts can be just as special.
Come on, Angus.
How about one of these?
Wow, so pretty.
How about this one? It's a real beauty.
It's just like the one that Papi and I flew on the beach together. Papi would love this kite. But he'd need me there to launch it. Oh.
Ah, I see.
I'm afraid none of these gifts are quite right. But thank you for trying, Mr. Shopkeeper.
Oh dear, this has never happened before. For the first time ever, I can't seem to find the perfect gift for a customer.
Papi will be going home to Delhi soon.
We really need to find something and fast.
Just a moment. You said you wanted something that would remind Papi of you.
Yes, something so special that every time he sees it, he thinks of me.
Oh, it's a pity there's not another you that he can take home with him.
I've got an idea. Maybe there can be. Do you have a camera?
Oh, yeah. Of course, Saul. The perfect gift would be a photo of me.
Oh dear, I sold the very last camera to a lady just a short while ago. Now, what was her name?
Aww.
I've just had an idea. What if we make our own camera?
Great idea, Saul. Great mod, Saul.
Thanks, Kiva. Okay, ready for your photo?
Yes. Oh, Wait a moment. Will you join me in the photo?
I'd be honored.
Great.
He really does look a lot like Papi. Say, Papi memories.
Happy memories.